Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today I will show you how to make a simple splash screen in Android using Kotlin. So let's get started. Create a new project. Let's let an empty activity. Let's give a name to our project. Make sure to select the Kotlin as the default language. Let's wait for the Gradle to build. So I'm gonna create another empty activity. Let's give this a name of splash screen. So before we do anything else, let's go to the manifest tab and open the manifest file. So we need to cut this intel filter and let's paste this inside our splash screen activity. So this will set our splash screen activity as the default activity whenever we launch our app. So let's design our splash screen. I'm gonna keep this very simple and just use a image view. Let's give it source. So since I'm using a constraint layout, I need to give it constraints. So let's do that. So this aligns it to the center of the screen. And let's check out the activity main. It contains a text view that says hello world, so which is fine for now. So let's move to the splash screen file and let's create an handler. So I'm gonna specify the duration to be 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, we will launch our main activity, and to do that, let's create an intent. Let's pass in the context and let's give the name of the activity that we want to launch. So now I'm using a scope function provided by Kotlin, that is also. So this will return me an object of intent that we just created, and we can access that object using it operator. So let's try and run that app. So there we go. We have a splash screen, and after 3 seconds we move to the main activity. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to hide the action bar on the splash screen. And there we go. So we are not done yet. We still have one problem. So if we click on the back button, we go back to the splash screen. So we don't want that. And to fix this, I will call the finish method over here. So let's try it again. There we have our splash screen, and we are here into the main activity. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.